Good afternoon, students. My screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
PPT is visible to you. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Should we start or wait? Shivangi,
Yes, ma'am.
Vandana, Neha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, very good afternoon to all my dear students. Today we are starting. Yeah. It is not going to be one side communicative now. I just told to switch off your video and mic for a certain time so that disturbance won't occur. Otherwise, you need to be communicative so that I come to know you are understanding what we are moving on. Okay? Okay, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, I will take your two subjects. One is a VLSI design, and with respect to that, it's lab, that is VLSI design lab. Lab will start later on because it's hands-on session. So, depending on the guidelines of the department and the college, we are supposed to start later. And second, your subject is sustainable engineering. That is the next lecture. And you need to keep one thing in mind that 3 days we have a lectures, and for your convenience, we take the both session 1-to-1, so that if in a future also if offline classes will start, then also you need to come for that particular time to attend theory classes. Okay? Okay, Ashwini,
Yes, ma'am.
Praveen,
Okay, ma'am.
Siddharth, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
And it is our general practice, like in the last sem also, if you want to maintain a register, it's a good habit. Otherwise also, it is my suggestion to you that maintain a register and note down the things particular. Although I will provide you the lecture notes and everything, and Google Classroom, which you joined last semester, I will rename it or I will create new. That will be the platform for the assignment and other thing sharing. Okay? Now,
Okay, ma'am.
yeah. So as far as VLSI design is concerned, particularly this subject will contain 5 units. This is a subject I am teaching in this college in last 17 years. Time to time it used to be updated and so many things are there. And it's a very good and knowledgeable subject. As far as current scenario is IoT, artificial intelligence, fuzzy logic, neural network and all. In that also VLSI has its own impact. Fine. So it is our general practice that today is our introduction class. So today we are going to discuss the syllabus. Fine. And in between, it is not only I am explaining the things and discussing the things and you kept mum, you can also ask the things or write in a chat box also. In the last we can discuss, or in between also if you will ask question, it will be a two-way communication. Okay? So see, first unit is an introduction to VLSI unit, then introduction to MOSFET, CMOS logic circuit, dynamic CMOS circuit, physical design. We will discuss the units contain also. But before that, I just want to let you know that the first unit is a basic criteria to make you aware that what is a VLSI design, what is its objective, scope, and future criteria. Second is an introduction to MOSFET. This is a particular unit in that we are going to discuss the electrical and other characteristics of VLSI along with second order effects and certain particular characteristics of MOSFET. That is about this CMOS logic circuit. As far as this concerned, This is a particular unit in which you will learn how I can design my digital component like full adder, multiplexer, and other memory unit also like flip-flop registers by using the CMOS circuit. A half unit is depend on that, another half unit based on the layout issues. Fine, layout concerned with the fabrication and manufacturing. Fine, fourth unit is a bit higher level circuitry of CMOS, that is called dynamic CMOS circuit. It is one on the same thing which you used to discuss like in a BJT, like hybrid model and H model. That is a thing. The last is a physical design. Fine. Why only 17 students has joined? 6 are still remain. Okay, no issue. Fine. So as far as first unit is concerned, that is introduction to VLSI. In this first unit, if you are writing on your notebook, just tell me, I can wait, because I don't want the class is to be like click and finish. It should be a like very comfortable, two-way communicative and relaxed class. Okay, is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first unit contain introduction of VLSI, and second topic of this is objective, scope and outcome of VLSI. This unit also RTU gave only 1 or 2 lectures. Tomorrow we are going to start this unit, and I hope we are going to finish also. Fine. The next unit is introduction to MOSFET. Fine. Are you all writing or doing what? Or only listening and sleeping? Just let me clear. है ना? Okay. So first topic is a basic MOS transistor, enhancement mode action, depletion mode transistor action, and MOS PMOS fabrication. After first unit finish, we will going to start this unit. First part will contain the fabrication part, and first topic will explain you what is enhancement mode, what is depletion mode. Fine. Later on, we are going to discuss aspects of threshold voltage, body effect, IDS versus VDS relationship, channel length modulation, and one on, so that is transconductance. Fine. This is a one particular part from this point to this. In that we are just going to discuss the fabrication plus the electrical characteristics. After that, certain more MOS transistor parameter are going to discuss, like oxide and junction capacitor, channel resistance, scaling and biasing parameters. Fine. And the last topic of this is higher order effects. Like in a BJT, you used to understand the early effect. On the same way, here you have the narrow channel effect, punch through effect, sub-threshold conduction and all. Fine. You can write down. I am giving you 2 to 3 minutes for this. Fine. Meanwhile, other student can ask things if they have any query. This is a unit in which we will just discuss the fabrication and the electrical parameters of MOSFET. Fine. My voice is clear to all? It's audible or,
Yes, ma'am.
or echo issue or anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now it is visible. PPT is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, when you finish, just inform me so that I will go to next slides. Completed it? Should we move to next slide? Okay, have you done? Have you written, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next unit is third is CMOS logic circuit. This unit is bit lengthy and very important also. That is first thing is a NMOS inverter, resistive and active load. Pull up to pull down ratio for NMOS and CMOS inverter. In that you will come to know basically when I design one NMOS, what happens, particularly one enhancement and another is depletion mode transistor used to be there. So one is called pull up and another is called pull down. Fine. And as far as CMOS inverter is concerned, in that also one is NMOS and another is PMOS. So that is called one is pull up and one is pull down. For your convenience, I am trying to download Jamboard also, so that certain things which I feel to explain you on a board, that thing also possible on a Google Meet. In a 1 or 2 class, I will try for that also. Fine. Then beta n upon beta p ratio. This is nothing but by W by L. W by L means width upon length ratio. Along with this inverter parameter, that is VIL. VIL is called low input. Read this particular thing in a reverse way. Low input voltage, high input voltage, low output voltage, high output voltage, and the noise margin. Fine. Speed and power dissipation analysis of CMOS inverter. Up to this part, you will supposed to learn the particularly the parameters of a CMOS circuitry like noise margin, power dissipation, pull up to pull down ratios and all. After this, as soon as we will start CMOS combinational logic like NAND gate, NOR, XOR, compound gate, 2 input CMOS mux, memory latches, registers, transmission gate, power dissipation, transistor sizing. This particular block will belongs to a practice session. Practice session means whatever logic circuitries are there in digital electronics, will try to make it on a CMOS circuit. And here I want to make you aware, all this circuit which you learn here, that is important for your lab part also. VLSI design lab is split in 2 parts. One is a VHDL and another is a particularly layout part. Layout and schematic. So schematic is going to complete by the CMOS logic. That is why this theory subject is very important as far as your lab is also concerned. Again, the transmission gate, participation and transistor sizing. These 3 topics again are theoretical. This unit is yet not complete. It has another part also. Will make you aware. First write down this. Fine. जल्दी लिखो बेटा. देन अभी अपनी थर्ड यूनिट कंप्लीट नहीं हुई है. अभी थर्ड यूनिट में लेआउट पार्ट इज ऑल्सो रिमेन. Meanwhile you are writing this and now I am taking your attendance. जैसे अपन क्लास में नहीं लेते हैं, like that only I am taking the student whose name I will ask, he or she must say yes ma'am. Okay. Aanchal Soni, are you there Aanchal? Aanchal नहीं है. Aanchal नहीं है. My voice is, you are there? Yes, I am taking attendance. That's why I asked. Ankit Sharma. अंकित, हाँ, ये अटेंडेंस मैं तुम्हें सोने से जगाने के लिए ले रही हूँ. ठीक है. अगर कोई बच्चा सो गया है तो उसको, अदरवाइज तुम लोग सब ऑनलाइन मुझे दिख रहे हो, बट जस्ट वर्बल अटेंडेंस जस्ट टू मेक यू अलाइव और अवे. अश्विनी, आर यू देयर अश्विनी? भावना, भावना नहीं है? भावना नहीं है क्या? दिशा, गौरव त्यागी, जिनीशा, जिनीशा आर यू देयर? माइक ऑन करके बोलो बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. केसर, कुशाल, कुशाल भी नहीं है. कृष्ण गोपाल, कुणाल माथुर, मनदीप, मनदीप नहीं है. नीरज, नेहा, नीरज आर यू देयर? नीरज, पायल, पायल, प्रणव, प्रणव, आई एम आस्किंग टू प्रणव. प्रणव, आर यू नॉट देयर? प्रणव, प्रवीण गहलोत, शिवांगी, सिद्धार्थ, सिद्धार्थ आर यू देयर? सिद्धार्थ, तन्मय, वैभव मंगल, वंदना, मोहित, मोहित आर यू देयर? मोहित,
No.
okay. Okay, wait, I just need to wait a minute. Total 16 participant is there ना? कहाँ है भावना? अभी परमिशन तो मांग रही थी थोड़ी देर पहले. चलो, now we are moving ahead with our content. Remaining third unit is particularly belongs to basic physical design, that is simple gate layout issues, layout of NAND NOR complex logic gate, layout of tri-gate, layout optimization using Allure path, DRC rule for layout, issues of interconnect latch problem. This particular part of your third unit belongs to layout. So it should be clear to you that third unit of VLSI design has split it in three parts. First is a basic, you can say, features of CMOS like transition sizing, transmission gate, noise margin, power dissipation, etc. Second part is a combinational logic gates where you will design circuits using CMOS. And the third part is this which we are discussing. Now write down fast in this because two more units are remaining. And one more thing I want to make you clear, as it is our first class, very rare I will mix my lectures. Otherwise, in the time of VLSI, we will discuss VLSI. In the time of SE, we will discuss sustainable engineering. Okay? Have you completed this? In this particular part also, when we will start unit, I will let you know what is important as far as RTU exams are concerned or midterm. But as far as layout is concerned, this DRC rules for layout. Second is a Illur path. And third is a layout among this one. Is a very important and a fixed question as far as your RTU exams are concerned. You can look on to the previous paper also. Each and every year, 1 year leave on, Illur path is going to discuss and asked. Okay? Fine, you completed this? बोलोगे नहीं तो कैसे पता चलेगा बेटा? Okay? Yes. So should I move ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, why I keep proper time for syllabus discussion? Because this I personally feel that in the starting, if the student is clear what we are about to learn in a whole semester, then he or she may be comfortable कि मुझे आगे क्या पढ़ना है. Suppose कभी क्लास भी मिस होगी तो क्या मिस होगा उसमें, ठीक है? Now this is a fourth unit. It is very nice and very compact unit. That is dynamic CMOS circuit. In this, we are going to understand the working and the application of a bit advanced level of your CMOS circuit. Like clocked CMOS, that is also going to say C2 MOS. Domino logic, that is another kind of dynamic CMOS circuitry. One is NORA logic, another is NP or a zipper logic. PE, that is pre-charge and evaluation logic. These are the 4 to 5 types of the dynamic CMOS circuit we will learn in this. And the last topic of this unit is SRAM and DRAM. Basic memory circuits, SRAM and DRAM. Okay? Write down fast. Okay. Now the last unit is a physical. Last unit is physical design. This is a very compact and very small unit. And for your information, I just want to let you know that finishing first or second unit is very prior, because first unit is a basic introduction. Second unit contain all the electrical parameters as well as the fabrication part. That we will complete mandate. After this, we'll start this fifth unit because it is a very small unit also. And the second purpose, that the last topic of this unit, it contains VHDL part. Fortunately or unfortunately, I must say, basically in the previous curriculum, VHDL also a mandatory subject. So concluding the whole one subject into one, I must say, topic is not a big deal for me, but a big deal for you to understand. But as it is in our syllabus also, and this particular part will concern for our lab purpose also. Because as I told you now, that half part is programming, half is a layout. Doesn't matter whether we will do practically or not or whatever will be the future, but at least we need to prepare well ना, that हमें theory के part पे तो सारा आना चाहिए. Okay, so that is why after first and second unit, first we will finish fifth unit, then we will switch to third and fourth unit. And as far as your midterm is also concerned, in your first midterm, I will try to complete your first, second, and fifth unit. And the syllabus of your second midterm will be third and fourth unit. Fine? Okay. In this unit, you have introduction to ECAD. ECAD का full form है Electronic Computer Aided Design Tool. Fine? That is first and back-end design of VLSI. It is typing. It is not first, it is front. Introduction to ECAD tool. ECAD tool is a particular electronic computer aided design tool in which it is splitted in two parts, front and back end. That is FRONT. Please correct it. Okay? Okay, beta? Or you are sleeping or awake?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it is a front and back end design. Fine. Second topic is a custom ASIC design using FPGA and VHDL. And the third topic, this two topic will be covered in a one or two lecture. That is not a big deal. And one question is confirmed in RTO regarding either the difference between the FPGA and the ASIC, or the difference between VHDL and a Verilog, front end and a back end. Fine. So we will discuss it nicely. After that, we'll focus on the VHDL code. This one small line part is consist of your 7 lectures. Why it is so? Because in a 2-3 lecture, first we will discuss the logic gates, combinational circuits, then flip-flop, shift register, and counter. Okay? Is it clear? Please write down
Yes, ma'am.
fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Please write down fast. Have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Now write down the reference book. Okay? I am sharing the reference book with you. Syllabus is clear to all?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. ये इतने जोर से कौन यस मैम बोल रहा है? क्या नाम है? मेरे को इधर विजिबल भी नहीं हो रहा है. कौन बोल रहा है? चलो अभी as far as books are concerned, is it visible? The first is a CMOS digital, like you can write down or click the photo of this, I think. Okay? Like the Beste and K. Ashray. It is available in library. The second book. Your CMOS layout part, CMOS combinational circuit layout part, as well as your dynamic CMOS part is contained in Beste and K. Ashray. Fine. VLSI designed by P. Sahu is also good. DP Das is fine. And this VLSI, CMOS layout and simulation. This is also one on the good book. As far as your second unit and third unit is also concerned, that is CMOS digital integrated circuit analysis and design. Ye Kang, the book of Kang, it is bit hard to understand. The level of this book is bit higher, but it is very good book. Books, these are visible to you, na, students? Visible? ना ठीक है. चलो आज के लिए इतना बहुत है. Is it fine? आप लोगों ने फोटो ले लिया इसका, है ना? ठीक है. चलो अब अपन now you can switch on your mic. Fine. बस डिस्टर्बेंस नहीं आना चाहिए. अब टुडे वी डिस्कस our particularly syllabus part. Fine. अब कल क्लास में कल अपन स्टार्ट करेंगे फर्स्ट यूनिट से। तो किसी को कुछ भी डाउट हो, जैसे आज अपन ने सिलेबस डिस्कस किया एंड सेकेंड द रेफरेंस बुक, फाइन। और 2 असाइनमेंट्स मैं दूंगी, लेकिन नॉट नाउ। जुलाई में कोई भी असाइनमेंट नहीं है, अभी अपन रेगुलर पढ़ेंगे एंड नेक्स्ट मंथ आई विल गिव यू असाइनमेंट बट बिफोर मिड टर्म, फाइन। 2 assignment for 1 semester. In that also, as far as VLSI design is concerned, only programming or the designing part will I am going to give you, no theory question. If a theory question will be there, it could be important as far as your RTO is concerned. ठीक है, कोई कुछ बोलना चाहेगा? भावना, तुम इतनी लेट कैसे आई हो? एक बार क्लास स्टार्ट होने के बाद बहुत मुश्किल होता है ज्वाइन कराना। कोई कुछ बोलना चाह रहा है तो बोलो, नहीं तो फिर अपन 3 बजे अपनी नेक्स्ट क्लास स्टार्ट करेंगे बेटा। प्रवीण, तुम हो क्या? तुमने अटेंडेंस तो बोली नहीं बेटा। दो बार बोली थी। खुशहाल नहीं है क्या? कौन? मनदीप आया है, वही मैं सोच रही हूँ। एक और कौन स्टूडेंट्स है जो यहाँ विजिबल है? हो गए, चलो 16 आर प्रेजेंट ना, ओके। अब वैसे तुम लोगों ने तुम्हारी स्कीम और सब देख लिया होगा। इस बार तुम्हारा प्रोजेक्ट नहीं है, सेमिनार और कुछ कुछ चीज़ें हैं और लैब्स हैं, ठीक है। बट तुम लोग अभी से थोड़ा कुछ अपने टीचर्स से और ऐसे डिस्कस करके देख सकते हो, फाइन। नाउ ईदर यू कैन लीव द मीटिंग, अदरवाइज इट इज बेटर, or you want to rejoin, otherwise I am giving you break of 10 minutes, fine, because it is a today first class. I don't want to make you like कि बहुत पढ़ लिया, ठीक है। otherwise same link से वापस ज्वाइन कर लेना। sharp 3 we will going to start our next subject sustainable engineering, okay, ठीक है। और एक और चीज मैं बोल रही हूँ कि दोनों का अलग अलग कॉपी मेंटेन करो, क्योंकि एनी हाउ 1 या 2 महीने में जब भी सिचुएशन नॉर्मल हुई और अपन ऑफलाइन आएंगे और एक्रेडिटेशन के अकॉर्डिंग भी कॉपीज चाहिए रहेगी। सो बेटर यू मेंटेन, एनी हाउ वेरी थिन कॉपी यू मेंटेन, बट आई एक्सपेक्ट यू टू मेंटेन अ कॉपी, फाइन। और फॉर योर इंफॉर्मेशन ऑल्सो, अब जैसे प्रिंसिपल धीरेन्द्र शर्मा सर हो गए, ही इज ऑल्सो वेरी मच फोकसिंग ऑन एकेडमिक्स। अभी भी कुछ नया, कुछ सॉफ्टवेयर खरीदने का है, particularly for your classes also. So if he and other all faculties are taking pain so much for your benefit, so effort from your side also be there ना, ठीक है बेटा। किसी को कुछ क्वेरी या कुछ है तो बोलो, बोलो बेटा, बोलो। नेहा कुछ बोलना चाह रही हो क्या? नेहा कुछ बोलना चाह रही हो? ठीक है। अब है ना, ये जो कुछ स्टूडेंट आज नहीं है, इनको प्लीज कम्युनिकेट करना, जैसे दिशा है, गौरव त्यागी, केसर, कुशाल अमिता, तन्मय, वैभव मंगल एंड मोहित, दैट दे शुड बी प्रेजेंट, क्योंकि हर चीज का जैसे अटेंडेंस तो हो रही है, इसके अलावा भी स्क्रीनशॉट वगैरह भी रख रहे हैं सब। तो ये इस बार मतलब वैसे तो हर बार गुड फेथ में सब सेफ हो जाते हैं, लेकिन इस बार सबको ध्यान रखना है। तो बाकी सबको भी बोलो अटेंड, मतलब क्लास अटेंड करें ना बेटा, ठीक है। सो यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग अ ब्रेक, ठीक है। I suggest don't leave the meeting, put off your mic and all, and again 3 o'clock we will assemble here, okay? Yeah. Yes, and it is my request. Generally, I am giving you 5 to 10 minutes. But once I start the session, it is particularly for Bhavna also. Like I started the session, then it is bit disturbing to like admit now. So try to join in a time. Okay. Okay. Catch you later. Okay. Fine.